Have you ever built dreams with someone who painted a perfect future, vacations, a wedding, a home, a real life together, but nothing ever actually happens? At first, it feels like destiny, but slowly, that someday starts to hurt. If you've ever felt confused by someone who promises everything but never follows through, you're not alone. That's a pattern called future faking. Understanding it can help you stop blaming yourself. Do you find yourself questioning if your relationship is abusive? Take our Is My Relationship Abusive quiz and take the first step toward understanding your situation. Future faking follows a predictable cycle. Future faking usually starts during the idealization phase. They mirror your dreams, your goals, even your language. It feels like you've met someone who finally gets you. And that's what hooks your hope, because you're responding to something that feels real. You're not naive, you're human. Then comes the promise phase. Detailed talk about the future, specifics about moving in together, marriage, trips, building a life together. But notice what's missing: action. Dates stay vague, timelines slip, excuses appear. You find yourself holding on to words instead of proof. When you start to question the inconsistency, they often respond with more promises. They say, "I've just been busy," or "I'm planning something special," resetting your hope instead of taking accountability. This is what makes future faking powerful. It manipulates through hope, not fear. Each new promise keeps you emotionally loyal, waiting for change that never comes. Sometimes this overlaps with breadcrumbing, small gestures or random affection, just when you start pulling away. It's not love, it's reinforcement, a way to keep you close without ever giving real commitment. The key to recognizing this pattern is consistency. Healthy people align their words with action. Future fakers don't, because the future they sell is meant to control the present, not build one together. Future faking feels like love because it mimics intimacy, but real love shows up through action. If you're noticing these patterns, give yourself permission to step back and observe, not to fix. You deserve consistency, not promises. Thank you for watching. Download our free resources, which will help you understand the patterns of abuse, spot the warning signs, and take your first steps toward reclaiming your strength and autonomy. Please raise awareness by sharing with others. You can also like or subscribe if it is safe to do so. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out related videos. See you in the next video.